ka committee bela thau dak tanat forest ka Sorkar jala ban Ïathir gi jinge ki nong ti mau ti Shyiap ha jingelam ba prestun tan song sembut madirang ba ka jala kala lumi jingelang ban kong jongka ha ka arf artrek nai wiang arja apsau ha secretariat kumon shukdo bai kani committee la thau nak jingelang bela khot dak Sorkar ha jingelam ba DP walang IS Chief Secretary ke jala lemki officer ka tanat forest Yakinong elam ke Joint Action Committee, Stone Crushers Owners Association, Quarry Owners and Workers Association, ki sunjuk nong nya bat trai trok, nagi district baper, ki nong elam shnong bat kiwei pat, menaka arfratrek nailar arjar arfsaw. Yakani committee la thau bani krani meri jingmut, kumno ban penjensur lani penbhai Kyndon, katkum ke Meghalaya Minor Minerals and Concession Rules arja khat riu, yaki baka Joint Action Committee, ka yang bandawa penbej Kyndon na ketiga rules, kataban hapshim quarry permit, mining lease, transport chalan, habati bat kit mau kit Shyiap. Uba prestun tensong laong, ba committee kandang Ïathir senjam, ban penjensuri Kyndon ki bela pentrai kam leng baka rules, katkum ka an ke Sorkar India. Ka Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act MMM&CR Act khat khandai spasan punyo.
After the constitution of this meeting, special meeting constituted by the Forest Department to revisit and to review again the present form of the concession rules from MMM&CR Act. Because in MMM&CR Act we have also one part of the act which is known as minor minerals. So minor minerals means like sand, stone, quarrying, mining of these items are there. So ultimately government has notified this committee, and this is the first meeting where we have with the joint members from the Joint Action Committee, these miners of different districts. They are together with us. So we had the introductory meeting, I should say, today. Then we started our discussion on the revisiting of the issues of this present form of the concession rules, and the next meeting again will be held. So right now I've already instructed the department like Forest Department, then Mining and Geology Department, Law Department to again further study where are the places where we can further ease the clauses, ease the process of getting the license or the equip. Why it happens that way? Why it happens that illegal activities happen? It's just because those poor people in the village especially, they have the sand quarry, stone quarry, so they wanted to apply for license or they wanted to apply for mining lease or for quarry permit, but the process is so technical, the process is so long, so that on the basis of that we have this committee, this special committee, to work out and to simplify the procedures and the process of application, so that even the small miners can understand the way of application for getting the mining lease or the quarry permit.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki Shyiap, ka Shyiap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka Shyiap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka Shyiap plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.